Hey everybody, my name is Cody, and this is video number 7 in the Builderall features and benefits series, of which in this video I'm going to talk about Evergreen and fixed date timers inside of Builderall. Now, countdown timers are usually used on websites and sales funnel pages, and they can instill a sense of urgency or scarcity for the price of a certain product or service. And first of all, we have the Evergreen timer. With this timer type, your website or sales funnel visitor will see whatever time you choose, and it's usually tracked via a cookie or tracking code. So wherever your visitor goes or wherever they come back, and even when they come back at different days, the timer just continues counting down from the time they left. So you can offer a time discount code or maybe even discontinue a product entirely after the timer reaches 0. The second timer is the fixed countdown timer, and this is great for product launches, as the option to purchase a product or service can be unlocked after the timer reaches 0. The fixed timer, unlike the Evergreen timer, does not rely on a visitor's cookie or tracking history. Instead, it simply counts down to the time of your choosing, regardless of when your visitor arrives on your page. Once again, with Builderall, you can create both types of countdown timers, and at the same time increase sales conversions on your website and funnel pages. Thanks again for watching the video. If you're interested in using Builderall to build your business, or maybe even start it, but you're struggling to make your first sale or commission online, then go ahead and click the link in the description to get a free training course by my mentor. This 5-day training course will teach you how to choose a product, build out a sales funnel, and even use free traffic to promote your offer. Once again, the link is in the description. So that said, thanks again for watching this video. Please take care and have a great day.